Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Onkar Learning. So today in our video we are going to discuss some of the most important asked questions in interviews. It's basically difference between C++ and Java. If you know Java, then it's important to know that what is exactly difference between C++ and Java. Both are object-oriented programming language. So everyone means when you go to an interview, then it is mandatory question of interviewers that what is difference between C++ and Java. So this will also help in your college or university exams. So basically first difference is that C++ language is compiled language and Java is an both compiled and interpreted language. So if you have not watched my previous video in which I have explained features of Java, in that I have already explained you that what is compiled, what is interpreted, why Java is called as both means compiled and interpreted. So C++ is only compiled in which there is no interpretation, and Java needs both means after compilation the code is interpreted line by line. Interpreted means just execution of code line by line. C++ is platform dependent means if you run your code on any if you run your code on single machine, it cannot be run on other machine. Instead, Java is platform independent means if it is that write your code once and run it anywhere means it is independent of any platform. Then C++ does not use concept of multi-threading, but Java uses concept of multi-threading. Multi-threading is nothing but in which it is a single process in which multiple threads occur. In my previous video I have explained these concepts in detail means I have just given an overview while explaining the features. Then C++ does not give us the facility to build GUI, but instead using concept of applets in Java we can build interactive GUI. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. It is just interface between the computer screen and you for communication or for any connection between the application and the user. Then difference number 6, it is that C++ code cannot be embedded into any scripting language. Scripting language is just like your HTML, CSS, these all are JavaScript is your scripting language, and that in C++ code means C++ code cannot be embedded in scripting languages. Instead, in Java, by using concept of applets, we can build or we can merge our Java code in any scripting language. I think I missed this fifth point. Basically, database connectivity is not possible in C++, but if we want to do it is really very complex task to build connectivity in C++, but using Java's concept, that is servlets. In our further videos we'll try to cover all these topics. By using concept of servlets, it is very easy to connect with many of the databases. Database is nothing but it is used to store all of your records in which user details are stored. Database is nothing but, for example, database we can take a database of students. There are, for example, we'll take database of any school in which there are number of students, in which particular students, each and every information is there. It is nothing but the database of student. So then C++ uses means C++ and Java both uses concept of inheritance, but mainly the difference is that C++ uses multiple inheritance, but in Java we cannot implement multiple inheritance because it's due to ambiguity which occurs. In C++, if it occurs, then by using concept of virtual classes we can make it that ambiguity does not happen. But in Java by using concept of inheritance we can implement multiple inheritance. So I think inheritance is just, wait, I'll just take one example of inheritance. So from this there are two classes. First is class A and class B. So class A I think this arrow will not be upward, means for indicating inheritance it is upward arrow, not downwards. Means the means class A's all the variables methods are extended in class B. Means there is no need to rewrite the code of class A. Also we can override the methods. Means we can if there is method one, let's say there is one method display in class A, then this method with same name can also be in class B, but their definitions can be different. Okay. So, and in C++ we can write a program without using class. Means there is no need, as C++ object oriented programming language, but it is not a completely object oriented programming language. Means in which just by using procedures means just by using functions also we can build our code and run our code. But in Java it is mandatory to have at least one class. So, and it is simple to use and implement, as its most syntax are based on C++. As its most of the syntaxes are based on C, then implementing C++ is not a big task. And Java is safe and reliable due to use of many of the things, just like as there are not concept of point as mentioned here, as there are no concept of pointers, because it provides safety that it does not have concept of pointers. By using applet we can make GUI, and it is reliable than C++ due to its database connectivity, due to many concepts which are in Java, just like servlets. And main thing that for compiling any C++ program, there are many C++ compilers by which we can execute our code. But in Java, as mentioned in my previous video, there should be a specific or unique compiler through which we run our Java compiler, that is JIT compiler. It is nothing but the just-in-time compiler. So I'll just give this drive link in my description box. Just go through it once, and if you just mention few of these main points in your interview, it will be just enough for you. In a further video, we'll just discuss what is importance of public static void main. It is the main question also asked by interviewers. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.